Hey folks, Patrick here with Big Patty Pokemon, brought to you by NMD Box Breaks, which is my other channel where I do sports breaks, basketball, baseball, football, hockey. I'm coming back today with a Fates Collide Pokemon Elite Trainer Box. This is my first um, box of Fates Collide. Um, I opened packs of it, but I haven't started collecting it, so this would be my first start in collecting. As you can see, if you pause that, you can see it. You're going to get 8 Pokemon TCG XY Face Collide booster packs. You get the sleeves. You get the energy cards. And basically, if you've watched these videos before, you know the damage uh, counter and the dice and all those other good stuff that come in here. So hopefully, out of the 8 packs, I hit something good before I start collecting the whole set. Um, This is another one I'm going to be buying. I got a couple more boxes on the way that just got delayed, so I probably won't get them till like Monday. Hopefully, I get them soon. So I am going to take the wrap off of this and get it started. I'll, take everything out of the box. So we'll start doing that. Okay, so now the wrap is off of it, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what you get inside. As you guys already know, you inside here, you can open this up and you'll get uh, like a poster of all the cards and what the designs are and everything in that. You get the Fates Collide book, player's guide, show you, what cards, what are the big cards, what are the nice cards in here, and shows you everything in here, everything you want and need to know. So you get that. Put it over there. So let's open this up. All right. You get the energy cards, 65 of them. The packs over here. You get the sleeves, which we need right now. So once we start pulling, we'll put the good cards in. So we'll just open that up. And the dividers, if you want to put them back in the box. And you all know what these are, so you get these too. So that's what you get. Once again, here's the code. Plus I'll be giving out all the codes and the packs. Elite Trainer box for Mega Alakazam, whose design is on the box. Mega Alakazam, that's the design of the box. So we'll put this all back over here. Put it over here for now. And we'll start opening packs. As you can see, there should be 8 packs here. Let's get them all in order. And thank you for people who have subscribed already. I appreciate it. If you want to subscribe to this channel, down below hit the notification button. So when I'm doing another one, you'll get notification that I'm doing it when I record it. And any giveaways and updates that I will be doing, you can share. So we've got right there, we got 8 packs. So we'll just see what we do first here. Okay. Here we go. Pack number 1 of Fates Collide XY series. There's a card. All right. See if we can get this focused. Move down. Okay, we got Binnacle, Meowth, Jigglypuff, Riolu, Bronzor, Scorched Earth Trainer card, Omanyte. We got a Kabuto, We got, let's see what that is. We got a reverse hollow Shuckle. That's an uncommon. And we got an Altaria EX. Very nice. Pull out of the first. Altaria EX. So what we'll do is we gotta put it in our sleeve, top loader, which is a little bit banged up. I guess I'll get another one. Altaria EX card. Very nice. So we'll put that over there. We'll go to pack number 2. Fates Collide. All right, here's pack number 2. Let me get you the code. Good stuff. There we go. All right, let's see if we get anything good, folks. We got Snivy, Koffing, Larvitar, Yellowbye, Mincino, Haluka, Trainer N, Braxton. We got a reverse hollow. We got a rare reverse hollow Bronzong. And we got a non-hollow Omastar. Not bad. So 1 hit so far. I consider the hit. EXs and GXs. There's your code. Fates Collide. Spoink. Koffing. Cottony. Larvitar. Vullaby. Weezing. Trainer Power Memory. Trainer Ordino Spirit Link. We got Diglett. As you can see at the bottom. It's a common. Reverse hollow. And a rare non-hollow Snorlax. Okay, so 5 more packs. 4 more after this. Code. We got Deerling, Riolu, Snubble, Binnacle, Bronzor, Fossil Excavation Kit, Wormadam, Zygarde. We got a Larvitar, reverse hollow Larvitar, and it's a rare non-hollow Serperior. Next pack. One good hit so far, the EX. We got Fennekin, Whismur, Encino again. Got Theta, Solosis, Wigglytuff, Helix Fossil Omanite. So I would say it. If I'm butchering it, please, down below in the comments, please tell me. Cincino. Ooh, we got a reverse. Should be yep, uncommon. Reverse hollow of Mega Catcher. Get that focused. Mega Catcher, very nice. And we got a rare foil Delphox. Code again. We got Burmy, Carbink, Larvitar, Diglett, Encino, Whimsicott, Alakazam Spirit Link, Fairy Drop. Oh, an EX card. We got a Bronzong. It's a break card. Sorry, my eyes, get that to focus. There we go. A Bronzong break card. That is pretty cool. And Mr. Mime. Rare non-hollow. So let's get this card out. Sleeve them up. Down below you can please hit the notification button, subscribe to my channel, share it. Tell me what you like in the comments, what you don't like, what you like to collect, what you don't like to collect. Because I'll be breaking over everything. I'm just back into this after so many years. Got to get used to it again. But I've been collecting a lot, so you'll see many more videos. Hopefully I can do one a day, but if I can't, I'll do a couple a week, in the beginning. There we go. Very sorry. Got the code on this side, not that side. All right. Here we go. Two more, the last two packs. See if we get anything good. Whismur. Gothita. Riolu. Cottony. Burmy. Mega Catcher. Duosion. Kangaskhan. Whimsir. There's a common, and it's a reverse hollow. And the non-hollow rare Moltres. All right. Moltres. Last pack. So it wasn't the greatest box, but so far I like the two hits that I got. Fates Collide. And last pack, hopefully something big. Dealing, Carbink, Fennekin, Seal, Diglett, Pokemon Fan Club, Altaria, Spirit Link, Dome, Fossil Kabuto. We got an Energy Pouch Trainer. That's an uncommon reverse hollow. And Lucario. Another rare non-hollow. Right? Yeah, rare non-hollow. Lucario. So that's it, folks. The two ones I got out of this. Not the greatest box, but we'll take it. Altaria EX and the Bronzong break card. So not bad. All right. Coming back to you. And I want to one thing. NMD Box Breaks. This is brought to you by. This is my channel for the Pokemon. Big Patty Pokemon. You go to my other website, other YouTube, NMD Box Breaks. I just got this mat done. As you can see, it says NMD Box Breaks all the way across. So you can see the mess. But this is where I'll be breaking sports also. And once I get more Pokemon, I'll break it all the time. Let me down in the comments what you like to collect, what's your favorite, what's your favorite Pokemon, and what you like to do. Do you play? Are you active in the TCG arena in tournaments? I'm a little bit older, so I'm out of that kind of thing. I just like to collect now, and I purchase and I put all these sets together. So that's what I do. All right, this is Patrick from Big Patty Pokemon. All right, this is my series. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'll be getting better at this. I got to get used to this recording stuff because a little bit older than everybody, and I got to get used to the times and learning how to use the computer, the camera. All right, so take care of yourself, stay classy, and I'll see you on the next video.